पहाड़ों में रहकर पैसे कैसे कमाएं? First of all, stop wasting your time in random things. Start investing your time in learning the right skills. Well, welcome back to another episode of Work from Home Job series. Well, I'm working from Himalayas, to be precise, Dharamshala, and I'm here to share my knowledge and help you get job ready for remote work. So let's get started. So today's topic is website development. And before you skip this thinking I can't do coding, then stop. Because thousands of agencies today are hiring people who's never written a single line of code. They are using drag and drop tools. That's it. So here's the truth. Coding is a skill. Website building is a different skill. You don't need to be a developer to build, manage, and launch websites for businesses. You just need to know the right tools. And I'm giving you all of them free right now. So here's the toolkit WordPress, the world's most used website platform. See, WordPress contributes around 41% of the global platform, right? Most of the bigger websites are made on this WordPress, and it's a must. You should learn this. Then secondly is Shopify. Shopify is basically most of the users are D2C and homegrown brands, right? So most of the brands use Shopify because it's simplicity and it's easy to set up. So Shopify you can learn easily. And then comes Elementor. It has drag and drop page builder. WooCommerce turns WordPress into a store. Webflow and Wix for quick modern websites. And if you want an edge, basic HTML and CSS. Not compulsory, but it makes you 10x more competitive into the market, right? Now, tools, right? What AI tools you will be using? Add AI on top of this, and you become unstoppable. ChatGPT and Claude for content, copy, and troubleshooting. Cursor AI if you ever want to touch code. GitHub Copilot optional है पर advanced users के लिए है. This combination no code tool plus AI is exactly what agencies are paying for today. So free resources are here. If you see, you don't need to spend around 50,000 on a course. Start here completely free है ये. Here's Free Code Camp. Go on Free Code Camp. Here's the website. Here you will learn HTML and CSS basics. Then comes HubSpot Academy, CMS for beginners course, right? Then go to Shopify Learn. Free official Shopify training is there, right? Then WP Beginner, that is WordPress, right? So WordPress Beginner के लिए you can search on YouTube. तुम्हें सारा data मिल जाएगा वहाँ से. You can learn from there. ठीक है? So step by step guide you will get there. Then Elementor's official YouTube channel पे जाओ, वहाँ पे page builder वगैरह सारा कुछ सीख सकते हो. Then इन सब के links I'll share you in the description box. It will be easy for you. Then here comes the timeline. रियलिस्टिक है बट लेकिन थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा. इट डिपेंड्स पर्सन टू पर्सन, राइट? सो 2 weeks HTML एंड CSS में लगाने हैं, बेसिक्स सीखने हैं, ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं. इफ़ यू चूज लर्निंग इट, राइट? देन 3 to 4 weeks WordPress प्लस एलिमेंटर, ठीक है, ये सीख लेना. आफ्टर दैट 2 weeks यू विल स्पेंड इन शॉपिफाई एंड WooCommerce बेसिक्स. ये हमारे इंडिया में काफ़ी चलता है शॉपिफाई, एंड इफ़ यू लर्न इट यू विल गेट to work with any corporate company or any D2C brand, or you can do a freelancing as well. Then 1 week you have to build 2 to 3 practice websites for your portfolio. Very important. Then total around 8 to 9 weeks लगेगा and you will be job ready. Slower है but लेकिन it will be very helpful. Then jobs and salary part. What can you become? वर्डप्रेस डेवलपर बन सकते हो, शॉपिफाई एक्सपर्ट बन सकते हो, वेबसाइट मैनेजर बन सकते हो, ई कॉमर्स स्पेशलिस्ट बन सकते हो, जिसकी काफ़ी डिमांड है मार्केट में. सो एज अ बिगिनर, फ्रीलांस और रिमोट एंट्री लेवल रोल्स typically start around 20,000 to 35,000 a month in India. And international freelance clients pay even more, often in dollars. Once you have 2 to 3 portfolio projects, then it will be very helpful for you. This is your complete guide, free roadmap for website development. Save this video. So that's it for today. See you in the next episode, and I wish you all the best, and subscribe my channel for more such content.